traveling above to show the recorders that we know, sharing music to the guys that glow. Oh no, did we just get lost in space? Jamming on notes, GAB, turn up the bass. Keep the pace, not too slow or fast. Steady beat, whole sealed light air, what a blast. At last we arrive, recorder exam. Keep the music up with the alien jam.
Time to travel far and wide, touch the sky on our recorder. GAB, our notes to read, steady speed on our recorder.
Oh boy. Well, it looks like we may be a little lost in space. Yikes. And wait, now we are in an asteroid field? What are the odds of getting through this?
The odds are 3,721 to 1.
Ooh, yeah. Never tell me the odds. Wait a second. This seems a little too familiar. Anyway, okay, here is your mission. Notes G, A, and B will be found on each asteroid, and you have to play the notes with the rhythmic pattern correctly to blast the asteroid out of the way.
Good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor.
Are you ready? Here we go. Play the pattern, clear the path. 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 Play the pattern, clear the path.
Now it's time to jam along with the music. Come on and keep the beat strong. Get your recorder rocking all day. 1, 2,